Very, very aggressive colored pumpkin.
That's very close.
Yeah, maybe everybody should move back a bit because
that was the smallest one?
You're supposed to be 300 feet back.
300 feet?
300 feet, yeah.
It's just a recommendation.
It doesn't actually state caution stand 300 feet back because if you'd like to not get burned.
Whoa, that's really big. I was like, yeah, we don't need to move back. That thing's like,
Enjoy the last couple minutes
it's like
of your life.
3 feet tall.
Oh my gosh.
We still didn't move back.
I know.
This will be the video that they show on CBC.
Those guys, they're called Lucky. Yeah, it's a pet name. Three Finger Joe. Pretty good. Or sometimes very green.
That's my bass.
That's pretty good. Good baseline
Bom, bom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh!
Oh no. Run!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Whoa.
Wow.
That's awesome. I love that
I thought you were just
all the way
gonna
up there.
toss it into the lake.
Awesome.
I was like, let's move back. It was like
Yeah, I know.
2 feet, and then I'm like holding the camera like, I still want to see it.
Bandito.
Bandito has 37?
Whoa.
Per day.
Just toss it into the fire, Will. No, I'm just kidding.
Super big fucking splash.
All over the place.
We'll have to watch it from inside the house.
Bandito.
It's gonna be a good one. Side? How does it light?
I think you just light one, and then the whole thing goes up.
Oh no. I have bad feeling about this one.
Oh, it's like gunshots, bandido. Take those.
Oh! Are they getting closer and closer? Oh,
That was amazing.
this is
Runaway at the end there.
this is the one you're scared of?
What? Whoa. Oh,
Whoa.
wow.
Wow.
That was loaded. That was loaded gun.
Oh no, look at that thing.
Oh my gosh!
It's like a grandma cake.
It's fucking-
Grandma cake.
Like a fruit cake?
Grandma cake.
A
With strawberries in the top.
grandma? Like somebody's grandmother cake?
Yeah.
like made of someone's grandmother.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Made of someone's grandmother.
That's it, a little bit.
Oh, this one is kind of
It's quite large.
scary.
I know.
He's pointing it that way.
Okay. Yeah.
You should like shuffle it down.
There's instructions. funk it there.
It does look like a
There's
cake
instructions
with strawberries on
involved
top.
in this happening.
Oh my gosh. Will, move.
Go,
Move.
go, go.
You see, in the video, just see his headlamp running.